Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new Skyleo LED Desk Lamp. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Let's check it out. Comes a little remote for it. The power cable. This will be to like clamp it onto your desk. All right, and then the actual lamps itself, along with your user guide. So let's go ahead and actually set it up and try it out so we can actually see how it looks. The thing that I do want to point out is where it clamps, it has some protection on each side, so that way there's no damage to your desk or anything like that. So I did like that it had that on there. All right, so as you can see, the setup was very easy. I don't know, 3 minutes, if that. Obviously, I'm not gonna have it at this part of my desk. I'll probably move it to the opposite side or maybe here on the side. But what I do like is you can literally adjust this however you like. And it goes up pretty high, as you can see. And then what's also cool is if you wanna flip these over like this, you can. And then it's got, I'll turn this around. You're able to operate it right here. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, they're on. We can turn them this way and we can adjust the brightness right on here. It's very, very cool. And then like I said, turn on, turn off, and it does have different modes. So as you can see, you can operate a lot of the things right on here. But like I said, it also does come with that remote. So if we wanted to like turn it off, you can do so from there. Turn it back on. You're able to adjust the brightness from there as well. So change up the modes like on there. So very handy to have on this cool little remote as well. What's also cool is whatever you leave it as, if you have it set to like a certain brightness and on a certain mode, got built-in memory, it'll save whatever you last left it at, which I thought was really neat. So you don't have to go and actually set it every time. It's gonna go ahead and actually save that setting for you. So this can also help with like eye fatigue, especially if you're starting to work, like if you work like in a dark spot or anything like that. Like I said, you're able to adjust this however you like. That way you're able to see whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's on a computer or not. Like I said, I'll probably end up moving mine over here. Like I said, it'll save a lot of space once I move it over here. So the one thing that I did want to point out about the remote is you will need 2 AAA batteries in order to get it up and going. If you guys are looking for a new desk lamp, definitely look into this one. Like I said, it's got 5 different modes, 11 different brightnesses. Go ahead and look at this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.